Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two incredible dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level.
On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam.
Get ready for some serious comparisons and a whole lot of fun.
Let's dive right in. When it comes to capturing those unforgettable moments on the road, video quality is everything.
The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts an impressive 4K Ultra HD recording capability, giving you unmatched clarity and detail.
With its super night vision technology, you'll never miss a thing, even in low-light conditions.
Now let's talk about staying connected on the go. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS and Android devices.
You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone at lightning-fast speeds and share them with friends and family on social media.
Talk about convenience. It's time to talk about those extra bells and whistles that make these dash cams stand out from the crowd. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes packed with state-of-the-art technology, including a built-in supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and loop cycle recording.
It even supports up to a whopping 512 GB micro SD card.
The ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam are both incredible choices for capturing your road adventures. Whether you prioritize video quality, connectivity, or additional features, these dash cams have got you covered. Remember, always do your research and choose the dash cam that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping!